Energy and mechanical engineering majors here at AUIS mainly focuses on sustainability, environmental concerns, and advancement in technology. Here at the engineering department, we don't only focus on the theoretical side of engineering, we also provide students with hands-on experience in our laboratories.
At AUIS, students who pursue energy and mechanical engineering, they gain deep understanding about the mechanical concepts and various energy systems. Also, they gain practical practices through the engineering lab and design projects. In addition, they put all the knowledge that they gained into solving real-world problems by their capstone projects.
This is an example of solar-assisted drying chamber created by a group of energy and mechanical engineering students here at AUIS. The chamber works using solar power to dry fruits, and this is one way that we are preparing our students to use sustainable and environmental-friendly solutions to real-life problems. We make sure that our graduates are very well equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to pursue their higher education or work in the industry.